It was a sunny morning in Sunnyshore village. Billy the little goat skipped along the grassy path with his best friends.
Let's go down to the river. Today's perfect for building a dam.
I brought my blueprint book. Let's make a splashy lake.
Last one, there's a muddy mango.
They got to work stacking stones and shaping the water flow. But suddenly,
Stop! Don't come near my mud!
Eek! A mud monster? Run!
back at Gran's house, they sat on her front steps. The trio cheered and created a plan.
Every problem has a reason, my little ones. Maybe it's time to look with kind eyes.
Let's solve the mystery with kindness.
You don't have to scare us to get our attention.
No one ever asked me to play. I didn't mean to scare you. I just didn't want to be alone again.
Oh, Ollie, we didn't know you felt that way.
We just thought you were busy flying around.
Really? Even after I roared like a monster?
Of course. This is the most fun I've had since the Coconut Festival.
Thanks for including me. Being a mud monster was no fun compared to being your friend.
Sometimes when someone acts mean, they just feel left out. Kindness can change everything.
And friends always find a way.
And from that day on, no one played alone in Sunnyshore village. Because Billy and his friends learned something important.